Paano mag-move on kung pinagsabay kayo? First question you need to ask yourself is, where are you moving on from? Are you moving on from the love and connection you had with them, or are you moving on from the fact that they two-timed you? Moving on from a failed relationship is one thing, but moving on from betrayal is another. Especially if you struggle with self-esteem, self-concept, or have no strong anchor in your self-identity. But the truth is, no matter what the situation is, the process is essentially the same. Step 1, see the reality as it is. Step 2, accept the reality. You see what happened, you accept it, and you move forward with your life. Simple in theory, right? Some of you will pause and say, wait, I see the reality, but I can't accept it. Others say, I accept it, but I can move on. If you cannot accept reality, it means you haven't truly seen it yet. What you think is clear is still murky. Maybe some details are distorted. Maybe your emotions are clouding your perception. Maybe you're missing something. That's why acceptance feels impossible. So how do you get unstuck? That's where step 0 comes in. Step 0, let the murky water settle. Before you can see or accept reality, your emotions need space to calm down. The murky water here is the unsettled emotions and external stimuli affecting your perception. Give your nervous system a chance to regulate, a chance in space and time. Until your mind and body settle, clarity is impossible. Once step 0 is done, go back to step 1, see reality clearly, then step 2, accept it fully. Then you will move on to step 3, redirect your energy. After acceptance, your energy is free. Focus on yourself, your life, and the future you want to create. Their role in your life is done. Fixating on them only keeps you trapped in the past. And we don't like that. So remember, step 0 clears out the water. Step 1 shows the truth. Step 2 lets you accept it. And step 3 frees your energy. No matter the situation, whether it's a failed relationship, betrayal, or being two-timed, this is the path to moving on. Clarity first, acceptance second, and freedom last. If that feels impossible, remember, step 0,